All right, everyone, I have this absolutely beautiful black 2024 Mustang GT Convertible. This one is all murdered out, and I'm here to show you some cool tricks with your key. What are we gonna do? Well, the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna remote start it. Fire that up, and you can really hear that engine purr. It sounds amazing. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually going to remote rev this beauty. Now we gotta just wait for the engine to kick down a second. As it just fired up, it needs to kind of get a little bit of an idle quality going. The thing I love to show is right on the ground, you can see the pony markers. I love how that shines down from the mirrors on that. Yeah, just super cool. All right, it's starting to kick down now. So as it comes down into this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna press this unlock button and then this lock button. Oh, give it a little rev. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I like that a lot. So now you know what I know. Remote rev on the new 24 Mustang. Sounds awesome. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor. Click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that bell icon and you'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks, everyone.